My God, it's December right now in Bermuda, and doesn't it just look awful? That's terrible, right? God, who would want to live here right now? I just want to say hi. I haven't posted a video in a very long time, and so I just wanted to kind of check in and say how it's going. It is currently December 4th right now in Bermuda, and it's a balmy, like mid-70s probably, which is ridiculous. Being from Oregon, it is outstandingly silly for me to be on the beach in a foreign country in 70-degree weather. So, I just wanted to share it with you, check in, say hi. I should be posting a video soon. Sorry, the waves are right up on my legs, but I should be wanting to post a video soon. I just haven't really had a chance to film, and so I figured instead of leaving you with nothing for months and months at a time, I figured I'd give you this little snippet. I am going to be here until May. I got a second internship, which I'm really excited about, and so I'm going to be here for a little while longer. So hopefully you'll see more videos about Bermuda and about my time here, and you'll get some more fun stuff, some more reviews and that kind of a thing, all kinds of fun stuff, just because I want to make it fun and dynamic and interesting for you. So that's enough for me from right now, but I will talk to you guys hopefully soon, and can't wait to share some more stuff with you. Okay, bye guys.